this is the seasonality chart for Bitcoin. Here we have the halving and US election, which is another very important catalyst for the whole market. So we have right here, interesting structure, accumulation on the way down, accumulation on the way up, and then we are stalling around this event. Same thing right here, accumulation on the way down, some volume coming in on the way up, institutions, crypto funds are taking profits, and then we generally have a short-term consolidation. Same thing right here, even though the 2020 crash was kind of creating a deviation from the pattern, but even here we have a trading range. And Roman, now we are very close to this window, and we could spend some time consolidating here, creating a much more complex trading range. What's your take on this?
I would rely on the statement of one of my colleagues about analogs, and that is use the analog until it's broken. So if it's working, keep using it. Once it's broken, go away from it.
Great. And now let's look at the weekly chart, 3-day charts for Bitcoin. So we are still consolidating above this long-term resistance, and some demand was coming in around this long-term support, Roman. But the fact that we made a lower high right here, I think it's a bit concerning. So we could spend more time and create even a lower low in this consolidation.
Yeah. Again, all-time high. The approach is really good. The last two legs are pretty aggressively up, so the character is still bullish. There is some supply that's coming in, but it's not too much. I think a very good analog for this type of action is gold, a chart of gold, where you could see, after the all-time high, pretty long trading range, and then we have a backup of the backup of the backup. But we stayed in that trading range for actually a couple of years.
Yeah. Instead of years, could be just months. We know that Bitcoin is faster, but it makes a lot of sense to consolidate right here.